Hi, I'm AJ, Program Manager at Google for Work. In the next 5 minutes or so, we're going to walk you through an amazing product experience where you'll get to see the magic of Google Apps in action. Now, usually at the end of Atmosphere, we send out a survey to everyone to get their feedback on how we can do better next time. Well, this time we actually haven't finished the survey yet. In fact, we have a few questions left we've got to figure out. That's okay, because we're on Google Apps for Work. We'll get this all sorted out right in front of you. There are 3 things that I must do to get the survey out to all of you watching. First, I've got to get my team together, wherever they might be, via Hangouts. Second, we're going to collaborate in real time on exactly what questions we want to ask and flesh those out in a Google Doc. And third, we'll take those questions from the doc, put them into a Google form on the fly, and send it to the thousands of you watching. And we'll bring it full circle by analyzing the results in real time in a Google Sheet. Sound like a plan? So let me do step 1 and get my team together. That's actually really easy with Calendar and Hangouts working seamlessly together. Take a look at my screen now. That's it. Hey guys, thanks for joining on such short notice. By the way, we have thousands of folks from Atmosphere tuning in as well. So that was step 1. And by the way, there are millions of customers using Hangouts just like that to connect to whoever they need to. Take Salesforce.com for example. They bought inexpensive webcams and tripods and sent them to 9 offices globally. The users set them up and they were able to communicate in real time 2-way during the product launch between the executives and the users in the field. Really powerful use case for Hangouts. On to step 2. Now that my team's together, we need to brainstorm exactly what questions we're going to ask the thousands of you out there. Okay team, I've started a brainstorming doc already. Let me share it with you all now. It's in Drive. I'm just going to go pull it out and get it to you in a moment. All right, there it is. Wow, keeping everything in Drive makes it easy to find things no matter how big or how many you might have. All right, here's the doc. Let me just add you all to it right now. I'll give you all edit rights. And I want to ensure this doc doesn't accidentally fall into the wrong hands. So I'm just going to hit this checkbox right here to prevent the download, copy, and print as well. Great.
Okay, I see it, and I'm getting into the doc now.
Yep, me too. I see it on my mobile.
Awesome, guys. So let's jump right in. What do you guys think?
Well, the first one's got a typo, so we got to get rid of that.
Oh, yeah. Nice catch, Reshma. And, I think we need to get a bit granular on this question, too.
Yes.
So instead of a yes, no, let's do a strongly agree, disagree.
Good.
Yeah. All right. So that one seems like it's pretty good.
Taking a look at number 3 too, I think we can do some changes there. Like, let's make it a bit more specific. So, let me change this here. You guys check this out, see what you think.
Yeah, I like being specific. I have another idea for a question. I wrote it down last night. Let me paste it over. Oh, no. Sorry.
What the heck?
Oh, my gosh.
Who is that?
That's Henry for president.
You just wanted your dog on to get famous, right? Well, at least let's get the right question in there.
All right, there you go.
Thank you. All right. You guys have anything else you want to change, or what do you think?
No, I think it looks good.
Looks good.
I'll go ahead and lock in these changes now and put these into the survey that I'm about to send. Thanks, guys. You guys can drop.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you later. As you can see, Google Apps for Work makes brainstorming across distance possible and teams really nimble. Take Second City, the comedy house in Chicago known for famous alumni like Steve Carell, Stephen Colbert, and Tina Fey. Now, when their corporate division needs to work on new content for a client, they all just dive into a Google Doc and start brainstorming. Once it's fleshed out and ready to share with a client, they simply share it via Google Drive. It's that simple. Now let me show you how easy it is to get these questions from a doc into a survey form. Because Google Apps for Work has powerful automation built right in, I'll just run this script that'll take this list of questions and turn it into a survey form in a single click. All right, let's take a look at it. Looks pretty good, but before I send it to the thousands of you watching, I'm gonna send it to a smaller group of Googlers just to make sure it works the way I want it to. All right, now that that's sent, let's watch the feedback come back in real time. Looks like they're pretty happy about the way things went. And there are many other customers, retail companies, that use forms just like this to manage internal store operations. Take the managers at Celio stores in France. They take their daily sales data and they enter all of it into a Google form, which drops into a Google Sheet for later analysis. This is a process that used to take 4,000 calls a day. And now it all just goes into one place where they can distribute it globally, and that really enables them to manage their inventory faster and get clothes into their customers' hands more quickly. Let's recap how Google Apps for Work enables teams to work faster and get more done. We use Hangouts to get our teams together from anywhere, Docs to build our ideas in real time, and Forms and Sheets to capture data and gain insights right away. Please share your thoughts with us, and thank you for watching Atmosphere.